Hello everyone, this is Ashwini Abaye. In last video, we discussed the copy operation on string. Copy means we have to copy the contents of the string from one string to another string. Today we will discuss the next operation. Next operation is reverse the string. Meaning we have to copy the string from one string to another string, but in reverse order. Okay. So for example, right now we are considering one simple string which store into a str1. Okay. Now we have to copy this string into the str2, but in reverse order. Meaning the content of this string 2 will be in this string. First, it will copy the E at which location? 0th location. Next, it will copy the L because it is present after, we have to copy in the reverse order. So, it will copy first E, then L, then it will copy the P, then it will copy M, then I, then finally S. Okay, and after that we have to copy or we have to write a null because every string is named with the null character. So here what we have to consider? We have to copy the content from string 1 to string 2, no doubt. But we have to copy the string from reverse order. So how you will start from reverse? So first which character we have to copy? The character which is present before the null character. Okay. So we have to start the scanning of your string from 0th location up to the null position. And then we can copy this character into the string. Okay. So first I will comment this copy code. Okay. For multi-line comment it is /* and single line comment /. So next operation is reverse. Okay. Now what we have to do? First step is what? We have to start the scanning from 0th location up to the null character. So how you will start the scanning? For from where I equal to 0 up to str1 of I is not equal to null character, then I plus plus. Then what it will do? It will start the scanning from 0 to null character. Using this for loop, your eye will point to which location? It will point to null character. So whether we have to copy this null character into the second string at the starting position? No. So we have to copy the character which is present before the null. Now, I is pointing to null character. So, what we have to do? We have to decrement I by 1. Why? We have to start the copying the content from before the null character. Okay? And currently your I is pointing to null character. Okay? So, I is properly pointing to your first string. Now, we have to copy the content into string 2, but from which location? 0th location. So how you will write this? For that purpose, we will use another index register. Why? Because position of the elements now differ. Because I is present at 6th location. After reversing, you will get this E as a 0th position. Okay, so what you will do? For j equal to 0. Right now we don't know about the termination condition, so we will keep the termination condition as a blank. And After that, we will write this increment and decrement. So we know that we have to start from 0th location. So what we have to do? We have to read the element from str1. So how you will read that? str1 of, and for str1, which index we have used? I. So this element, there we have to store that element, we have to store into the str2. And for str2, which index we have used? str2 of J. So what it will do? It will copy the character which is present in the str1, and in ith position it will copy this into str2 at which position? J. Now, how many characters we have to copy? Okay, it will copy for I this. It will copy this E into the 0th position. After that, which element we have to copy? This we have to copy into the str2. So what we have to do? We have to decrement the I, and we have to increment the J. In for loop, we can write multiple increment decrement statements by comma. Okay, so right now we are incrementing J. So J will be at 1st position, and decrementing the I means I will be here, 4th. Okay. Now, but how many times we have to increment J and decrement I? How many times? See. So, for I equal to, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I is 5, J is 0. So, it will copy first element into the earth, the 5th element at the 0th position. Then, decrement I is here. It will copy this into this position. Then, again decrement I, again decrement I, again decrement I. Finally, you will reach on 0th element. So, after decrementing, what will be the value of I? Okay? Up till now, we use that every for loop is aimed with our null character. Okay? Why? Because every string is aimed with the null character. But whether we know what is the starting symbol of every string? No. We cannot predict what will be the starting symbol. Even we cannot predict how many characters are present in string. Okay? So what will be your termination condition? When your I will be here, after decrementing, what will be the value of I? Value of I becomes negative, meaning -1. So, I should be greater than equal to 0. We have to copy the string. Okay? Now, next. Main thing is what? str2 of J should be aimed with which character? Null character. Because every string is aimed with the null character. Now, we will print the reverse string. So, how you will print the reverse string? Again, by using printf /n new line reverse string is, okay, %s for string and str2. Again, save your program, click on execute, compile. Now, it is showing some error. What? In which program? AS3.c. In which function we are having error? In main function. On which line? Line number 47. Error is what? J is undeclared. So we have to declare the J first. So J will be what? Integer variable. Again, save. Click on execute, compile. Okay? Again, it is showing how much time. Then execute and run. Now enter this string. Suppose simple. Enter. See. The string is simple, and reverse string is what? ELTMI. Okay? In this way we finish the reverse operation. Okay?